little video.
Cat! Oh my god, they're so beautiful. This is the Mad Catter Cat Café in Eastbourne, a seaside town in the UK. This tiny slice of heaven is home to 16 gorgeous cats. The cats are actually all owned by the owner of the cat cafe, so after a long day of hard work for the cats, they go downstairs and get even more cuddles and love. The cats were very affectionate and most of them wanted cuddles and lots of love, apart from the ones who just wanted to creepily stare at us. There's all kinds of cat-related merchandise on sale, some of which is made by local artists. Nah, just kidding, I love it. Look how beautiful they all are! They like to sit here and watch the world go by whilst they sit here receiving unlimited cuddles and scratches. I love how everything is cat related. The clock is cat related. The toilet was cat related. Everything was cat related. Of course it is a cat cafe, but still. Ah!
Yeah, they are.
Here's some more cat-related merchandise. You've got cat rings, cat bags, cat socks. Literally all my socks are cat-related, so I had to resist getting any more.
Yeah, but cats are a bit more intelligent and smart.
Yeah, cats are more intelligent, yeah, they are.
Plus, we find that cats are not stupid.
They're very smart.
Here is what looks like a menu with all of the cats' names on it.
Oh, I think they're hilarious.
Sniff my face. Yeah. All on my face. So they get to wander around all day, but they get tired.
So there you go. Yeah, right, time as well. Oh,
Still going.
exactly what I have.
If you find yourself in Eastbourne, definitely give this a visit. Or even if you're not in Eastbourne, if you're in London, it's worth a little day trip. We went there by train from London. It took about an hour and a half each way. We paid about £23 return for our trains. And we had an amazing day. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more cat related videos.